We have a lady in a red jacket jumping up and down, and then let's bring the microphone back up.
Bueno, gracias.
Jorge Ramos, nuestro orgullo latino.
Igualmente, gracias. Muchas gracias.
I love you. I love
You just got to make your tongue.
Very rude. It's not about you.
It's not about
Get out of my country. Get out. This is not
I'm
about
a U.S. citizen too.
you. Well, whatever.
Somos pedacitos de muchos lados, de muchas situaciones. It is personal because he's talking about us. If he was talking about someone else, might have been a different story. But this is personal. Look, as a reporter, sometimes I'm being asked, are you an activist? What are you doing, bro? I mean, are you a reporter or an activist? My answer is very simple. I'm just a reporter. I'm just a journalist asking questions. And I understand my responsibility. I think I have to report reality as it is, not as I wish it would be. Perfect. I have to admit, and I've said in the past, I was wrong. I don't know how many times I said on the media that no one can make it to the White House without a Latino vote. I said it. I sometimes I go to Fox News, they think it's political suicide, but I think we have to have a conversation going. And I was wrong, because I thought that it was impossible that with 27 million Latinos eligible to vote, that something like that would happen. But guess what happened? 14 million Latinos stayed home. We have to understand that it is not normal to have a president who's making racist remarks. It is not normal. It is not normal to have a president who says that who's sending the National Guard to a border where there is no invasion. Last time I checked this morning, the U.S. was not being invaded. Last time I checked, Mexico is not the enemy. Last time I checked, the number of detentions at the border is at a 40-year low. So for me, the only invasion happening right now is in Trump's head. And I think it's going to be, as the border as a wall, a huge, a monumental waste of time and money. And on the dreamers, I think we are in good hands. And remember when we're saying, oh, those millennials son unos flojos, no se levantan, no hacen nada. At the end, I think it's very simple. At the end, the dreamers will prevail. They're going to win. There's no question about it. As you know, I dedicate the book to the dreamers. And when I did that at that press conference, what I was thinking, sometimes the dreamers ask me, hey Ramos, what do you think? No, it's the other way around. I asked them, what should I do? And when I confronted Donald Trump, I was thinking, what would a dreamer do in front of Donald Trump? And I think something's happening with the dreamers' parents. They are from a generation that learned to be invisible and to be silent. And they learned that, Robert, because that was the only way to survive.